morning, all of you. Today, let's have a group discussion on the comparison of various models that we use for the software development lifecycle.
Let me explain about the spiral model. Spiral model is a software development that includes planning, designing, building, and testing in repeated cycles like a spirals with step-by-step process. Then the development is done in a small cycles in a spiral in a repeated steps without any and all ones. Then each cycle is included the planning, designing, building, and testing phases. Then the risks are identified in each steps. Like every cycle, the product will be improved step by step until the final product will be done. For example, let me take about the online shopping app, where the first spiral will be the planning and designing for the app. Then the second will be adding the payment. Then the final product will be tested through, and if there is any risk, then further it can be developed.
Myself, Mohammed. Now I am going to tell about Waterfall Model. It is defined as the linear and sequential software development model, with each phase is completing before moving to the next. There are several phases like requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Requirement analysis means to analyze the requirements for software using object-oriented concept like class and object. The next one is system design, to design the system using UML concept like class diagram and object diagrams. And the next one is implementation. Implementation means to convert the design into the code using a program language like Java or Python. And the next stage is testing, to test the final outcome and the interaction to find the errors. And another stage is deployment, to release our output to the user. And the final one is maintenance, to improve the features for after delivering objects.
I'm going to tell about iterative model in a system software engineering. Iterative model is a development approach where the software is built in small instead of one time. The work is divided into iterations. In each iterations, we do planning, designing, coding, and testing. After the one iteration, the feedback will be collected and the changes are made. After the next iteration will continue with the improvements and the instructions they say. This process continues until the full software is completed. The iterative model helps to find the changes earlier and improves the software quality. It is used in the large projects where the requirements may change.
I talk about the increment model. Software is developed in a small increment. Each increment adds features to existing system. First increment, user registration and login. Second increment, product designing and search. Third increment, card management or order placement. Fourth increment, payment and delivery tasking. Each increment delivers having feedbacks. Error and detected to fix the early stage.
Explain.
Hello everyone, I am Incremental. I am going to tell about B model. B model is like a V shape. For example, ATM machine software. First requirement we use cash withdrawal or balance checking and system design. Digital skills. Nowadays we see in ATM machines as digital only. So we can use in system design. Coding right ATM software codes are used in and at last testing. Testing is 4 steps: unit test, interactive test, system test, and acceptance test. Unit test each functions by one. Integration test check out plus balance server. System testing, full ATM works or not. Acceptance testing, bank verifying with real users.
said Lokesh. Now I am telling about the Agile model. Agile model is the latest model used. Agile model is a way of software development tool. In a small steps and a lot of communications. And it gives the quick response to change the requirements, and it focused on the people's software and worked on the continuous improvements of heavy documents and the rigid fronts. The value of Agile are give importance to people talking and working together rather than strict tools and productions. Advantages of Agile model is easy to create and easy to change create the errors. Disadvantages of Agile are only disciplined people and good communication team will handle the Agile model. Principle of Agile model is happy by delivering a useful software easy and regular.
Appreciations all of you. Each one of you have explained clearly the phases involved in each model. So we have to choose the model wisely based upon the requirements of the software to be developed to overcome the disadvantages. Thank you.